Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in a Kia Soul. Before you begin, gather all your essential tools, including a wrench, an oil filter remover, and a drain pan. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from any splashes or hot components. Proper preparation makes the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get to draining the old engine oil. First, locate the oil drain plug, which is typically found underneath the engine block. Position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the plug to catch all the used oil. Carefully use your wrench to loosen and remove the drain plug. Allow at least 10 to 15 minutes for all the old oil to drain completely into the pan. This ensures you remove as much old, contaminated oil as possible. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the filter and plug. Use your specialized oil filter wrench to carefully remove the old filter. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Then, hand tighten the new filter until snug, followed by a quarter to half turn with the wrench. Finally, securely reinsert the drain plug, ensuring it is tight but not over-tightened. Now for the final steps, adding new oil and checking your levels. Consult your vehicle's owner's manual to determine the correct oil type and the precise capacity, which is often around 4 to 5 quarts. Carefully pour the recommended amount of new engine oil into the fill port. After filling, start the engine briefly for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then use the dipstick to check the oil level, adding more if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.